Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to see how to restrict access to those bad and vulgar apps for your children's. You can do it by your Google Play Store. It's easy. Let's give a look after the intro. So you have to open your Play Store, go to your account, then settings, then you see here family, parental control and parent guide. You click on it and you see parental controls are off, so you have to turn them on. So what we do here is turn it on. You have to make a pin. In my case, I made it simple just for this learning process, so I can write 1 2 3 4. Okay, now the parental control is on, so you can even decide what you want the children to see. You can click you can decide which one you want and which you don't want, so it's easy. I hope you like the video, so you save it and it's done. So from now on, your Play Store will only show the content you have allow access to your children to see. All the prohibited or forbidden or maybe vulgar or bad apps will not appear in your Android Play Store. If you have any further questions, please write down in my comment section.